After adjusting the welding parameters, switch the interface to the manual interface. Click Start Barrel Separation and the diamond core drill barrel is lifted up to the feeding area. Click to start the sliding table fixture. Click to start sliding table and move the slide fixture to the right. Click Start Push Barrel and the barrel begins to move toward the slide table fixture. Stop sliding table fixture after the barrel is in place and click to stop the sliding table. Click the 90-degree servo to rotate it to 0 degrees. Click Start Sliding Table to raise the slide. Long press the up stepper meter to raise the barrel to a suitable height, flush with the signal light. After the barrel rises to a suitable height, click Start Barrel Clamp. The barrel will be fixed. Click Start Sliding Table Fixture. Place the segment in the segment feeding area. Click Segment Separate, and the segment can be pushed out smoothly.